Hello guys, welcome to the Design Tech Center YouTube channel. In this video, I will be giving some tips how to use the extrusion option to enhance the view or aesthetic view of your external 3D model. So let's begin. You have to select the extrusion option here. In the architectural tab, you will be having component model in place. So it will be asking you to save the project. So save it. So again here terminal. Okay. Here again you have to set the plane where you will be going to work. So I am going to set this. I am going to work on this plane. So I have selected this. I'll be viewing from here. So let's see how you can sketch or draw your plan to enhance your aesthetic view of your 3D model. So here I am going to select the line option here. So in the line option I am going to draw my plan. I will be setting the projection to 6 inches, or let it be 7 inches here. Seven inches and enter. So this is done. I'll be finishing this. So let's move a little bit upwards. So this is fine. Finish model. And next again I am going to do some stuff over here for this window. Again select the extrusion option. So line option. So first of all set the plane. Finish model. So let's view it from side angle. So these are the components which you can add to enhance your view. So you can view here. So similar kind of things I am going to create on the compound wall here. So let's sketch our idea on the compound wall. So I am going to select the rectangular option and sketch here. This elevation will be of 4 inches, and okay, so this is fine, and I am going to copy this and place one more at this corner here. Okay, fine. Else wait, we'll be copying the whole stuff later. So let's finish this model, and again I am going to sketch on this. I'll be setting this elevation or projection as 3 inches. And I am going to copy this whole part to here. And some more stuff like this. Just copy this and finish the model. Finish this model. Let's view this from side. So this is what some kind of artwork I have done on this compound wall. So let's copy this and place one more. So let's go view this. I'm going to select whole this. This whole thing I'm going to move a bit. Okay, let's copy this. So you can make a number of artwork as according to your imagination, and you can draw here, or you can sketch on this to create the various models. So let's view it in realistic view here. So here, as you can see in the realistic view, This is the view you will be getting. So I will be showing you how to place the camera in this video. So let's go to the site option over here. Here in the 3D, in the view option, as you can see in the view option, you will be having the default 3D view. Click on this. So here you will be getting the option camera. Click on this camera. So here you will be having a camera. You can place it anywhere to view. So I am placing it over here, and you have to just drag your vision here. I need a view up to here, and it's fine. So this is our view of our 3D model, as you can see. So here in the realistic you can view, this is the realistic view of your model. So I hope all of you have understood this. So we will be updating the next videos soon. Thank you.